No peeking. Ready? 1, 2, don't peek.
So you may or may not have seen our short video that came out just giving kind of a hint as to what we were doing today.
Hinty hints. Hinty hints.
Hinty hints, yes. We bought a bus.
A school bus.
A school bus. And we are on our way to pick it up right now. It's very exciting.
It's kind of a short bus.
It's an 8-window, 48-passenger.
It's a short bus, but it's long enough.
It's not a it's not a short bus. It's not 4 windows, it's 8 windows. We are on our way to pick it up. We've got a 5.5-hour drive to get to it, so we're doing a camp trip overnight tonight. We're gonna stay in a Walmart campground.
We're gonna stealth camp.
We're gonna stealth camp at Walmart.
No, I think we called in advance to make sure we could stay there.
A very nice old lady was very kind and said we certainly could at our own peril. Apparently it's gonna be cold. It is minus 18 Celsius right now in the middle of the day.
Outside, not inside.
Outside, yes. Where we are heading, it's supposed to be minus 26 overnight.
Ooh, that's
so this is going to be a great test for our heater, our diesel heater, which is going to be awesome.
There's a cow.
There's a lot of cows. So that's it for now. Probably add a little bit more later. And we are getting supper. Waiting for supper. It's cold up here.
It's cold.
It's very cold up here. It's minus 23 on the weather thing. Said it felt like minus 30. It's cold.
We've had the heater on and it's negative 16 in there. So.
Well, it's minus 16 in the camper. I just turned the heater on.
Yeah, not even 5 minutes ago.
Like it just, yeah, we're just waiting for supper. It's going to be 30 minutes or so.
So we figured we'd turn the heater on in the camper and get it warm, and if I can get the bed made before we head over to Walmart camping.
The Walmart camping ground.
We're the only ones there.
Yeah.
There's lots of places I would rather stay because it's darker.
But this is lighter, so nobody will be harassing us. We hope. And there's the gourmet meal for tonight.
Oh, that's your one.
Boston Pizza Brute.
Hey, don't forget my fridge, my soup.
Well, you have soup, but you have not opened it. And this right here is terrible. Tim Biebs, come on. We couldn't even just get regular Timbits. Very disappointing.
No, I was able to at the last one.
The last one. Christina has. You can see it leaked a bit. French onion soup.
Yay!
Nice. Now it's a little after 6 a.m. It's minus 29 degrees Celsius out. It's cold. But our heater, which I thought was only a 5 kilowatt, actually turns out to be an 8 kilowatt. It kept it 18 degrees Celsius with the roof vent all the way open all night long. That's coming out. We're getting a 2 kilowatt for the camper, and we're gonna save the 8 kilowatt for the bus. I said bus. I already told you guys we were getting a bus. But check this out. This is our diesel tank. I went to bed, and when I started up yesterday, it was here. That is about, we used about 3 liters last night. In 12 hours, on low, it's used about 3 liters. That is impressive. My biggest concern is the battery in the truck in the camper that we lose battery power, but it's still sitting at 11 volts. We're doing good. It got so cold that The window frame is iced up. All around the door frame is iced up.
Anybody need ice to make some cocktails?
We got ice for drinks if anybody needs some ice. Minus 29, I don't know what's going to stop aluminum door frames from icing up.
So it's like 7, 12, and 40.
I'm cutting the audio out of it.
3. That's a surprise! We got a bus! We got a bus, people. Let's go inside and look. Okay. There we go. This is our bus. Look at our bus. Woohoo! We got all the seats. It's 8 windows. 8 windows. See? We got all the seats. We got an emergency hatch here. Oh, we got a camera in the back. Boop. Speakers. Hey, Chris, what'd we get?
2 batteries.
No, what'd we get?
We got a bus.
Got a bus. Now what are you doing?
Putting batteries in.
Brand new batteries.
Those old ones are dead.
Because it got really, really cold.
They're old. Should be able to get out straight ahead.
No, I got plenty of room to back up.
Yeah. I'm just gonna pull over and call Dave's mother-in-law before we even leave the parking lot. And I don't push people. Thought I pushed it.
Do you have to hold it? Here we go, our first tank of fuel. I almost said gas, but it's not gas, it's diesel, and I've been told if you say gas, you'll put gas in it.
Yes, that's the last thing you want to do. Oh.
There we go. So, yeah, we probably have about 150 gallon or 150 liter tank. So I guess that's a 75 gallon tank approximately.
Yeah. buses are. It'll be noisy when we're done with it. There it is, in all its shiny glory. Still a little bit surreal. I mean, I'm driving it home, but it hasn't really kicked in yet. So much potential. just thought I'd end this video with talking about some of the hassle we had getting this bus. Nothing too serious, but it was a bit of a hassle. In order for us to bring the bus back here, we had to get insurance to drive it because we were coming from out of province. So I got the in-transit tags, but we needed insurance for it. Here in Alberta, you still need insurance. So insurance, because it's still a bus, but it's personal use, cost us almost as much as commercial insurance would have cost. So that was an arm and a leg. But we have a year's insurance, and we'll probably drop the insurance down when we're no longer driving it around trying to get things done. And then there was the hassle of finding a place to do an out-of-province inspection. If you're in Edmonton, Alberta, Bert's Alignment will do an out-of-province inspection for you. But that was a bit of a hassle. Thanks to my dad for helping us find that place. He's pretty good at that stuff. So it goes in, dropping it off tonight, get the out-of-province done, and should be able to get plates for it on Friday, and away we go. But it's a hassle. So just things to keep in mind when you're looking to get a bus, and if you find one that's out of province, if you're in Canada, it is going to be a bit of a hassle. So I wish I'd have thought about it beforehand. We could have had it all lined up, but that's okay. We got it all lined up now, and that's it. Get it done. So I'm going to end the video here. I hope you enjoyed our little secret surprise that we alluded to in the little short video we put out. And now the fun begins. Once we get it over, my dad is clearing space at his place. We can park it on his RV pad. And once we get it over there, we're going to start gutting this thing and start building it. It won't be a fast build. It's not going to be no 3 to 6 months. It'll probably be a couple of years, but we want it usable in 6 months because we want to use it on holidays. But it doesn't have to be complete for us to use it.